Hello guys, so if you spend any of your time on a keyboard, chances are you're doing it wrong and you're probably hurting your wrist because when typing, our wrist should be in an elevated position and the finger should be dropping on the keyboard while typing. Using the keyboard with the kickstand up only makes it worse, but you can make it better. Today I got a DIY for you. It's a wrist rest for your keyboard and it is super simple and looks not that bad. So let's just jump right in. The materials you need are a sheet of thermocol. I found it perfect for the purpose and it's not too rigid and does really good. Now the width you choose of the thermocol depends on your keyboard. My keyboard is a bit higher and that's why I'm using a 2 cm thick sheet. You can use something thinner or otherwise. A piece of cardboard which you can cut out from like any box large enough the size of your keyboard, and 2 or more sheets of soft paper whichever color you want, and the usuals, a paper tape, a razor sharp paper cutter, some glue, mostly Fevicol. Now don't even try to use the hot glue gun or the super glue on thermocol cause it won't work and you'll be amazed with what they do to it. You can find each one of them in the stationery near your house, but if you cannot, I'll leave links down below. Right, so let's start making it. First, draw the size of your wrist rest according to your keyboard. I drew mine about 42 cm by 8 cm. You can change for yours as you wish. Simply cut that out and bring a sheet of the thermocol forward. Trace the same shape on the thermocol, and now almost most important task of this DIY. You carefully cut the thermocol using a paper cutter. Now don't rush it and take your time. I did it very nicely and slowly, or else the thermocol balls start popping off the edges and it ruins the DIY. Now you'll have 2 similarly cut pieces. You can leave it like this and move on to the next step, but I went a step ahead and I cut the 2 edges of the thermocol. It was random, but I guess I didn't mess that up that bad. Now use your glue and stick the 2 pieces together. Do that nicely and I'd suggest let it be like that with some pressure overnight. Again, this is optional, but you can re-ensure the edges of the tape to smoothen them out a bit. And then finally you'll need the soft paper sheets. I found the smaller sheets, but if you get one big sheet, it'll be better. You have to cover the wrist rest with it. I'd say it's more like gift wrapping. Cover it nice and smooth and cover the edges nicely, as good as you can. And that's it. Like, the gift wrapping part is not as simple as like gift wrapping, but it's not that tough. So once you're done with that, you're done with the DIY. And you, my friend, made a wrist rest for your own self. Make it, use it. Let me know in the comment section down below if it helped in your posture while typing, and you can thank me later. Thank you for watching. I am Samyak Bakliwal here, and I'll catch you guys later.